is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings the...
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias. And in my videos, what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. So the videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you like the videos. Just subscribe to the channel and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. 5W Series Part 1. Who? The most important question that we as humans want to know is who we are as individuals. What about me that makes me different or better than the next person? Do I have any special abilities that give me an advantage over other people? Does my background add to the advantages that place me at a higher level than others? Background. Things that make you 4 books person every young man should have. The first book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man, goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife. Background. Things that make you into the person you are. Having so many ethnicities around the world, some people can develop a specific trait or skill, but we all have basically the same mentality as human beings. How we develop that mentality will be the special power that places us at a different level from others. So, when we look at our background, how did the development go? What helped us become who we are? Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too. Background. Kind of family you come from, and education you have had. From your background, how can you develop your personal character to be successful? What type of tools can you use to make the dream you planned for happen? Everyone must cultivate their mind to be able to survive in today's world. The depth in which a person goes to develop their brain is the difference between being successful or failing in life. It will change a young man's outlook and how he goes about life and becoming a great man. There are great gifts, birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and it can be given to any young man that's starting off in life. They're available on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and WritersBrand.com also. Go check them out on Amazon and get your copies. The young man should have all 4 copies to ensure that he will become a great man. Development. Grow, become more mature, advanced, or elaborate. Knowing that you control what is ultimately consumed into your brain, what will be the story at the end of your journey? Will it be one of triumph but one of many regrets that were not pursued because of procrastination. Make it your purpose to develop your potential to be successful. Become the who in your journey through life. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds will stand with thee.